A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when communion guides and competency performs. Ladies and gentlemen, every moment of life calls for action. Decisions are taken, responses are shaped, and outcomes unfold. Over time, a quiet realization begins to emerge that the quality of action is shaped long before effort begins. Experience reveals that action gains clarity and balance when it arises from alignment. When inner awareness aligns with the larger intelligence that governs life, response acquires direction. This alignment is communion, a living attunement with the divine cosmic intelligence that shaped human existence and awareness and endowed it with the capacity to think and act with righteousness and serve the purpose of life to receive energy, generate energy, and share energy. From communion arises guidance. From preparation arises competency. When both move together, action finds its natural order. Communion is alignment in its purest sense. As awareness aligns with cosmic intelligence, inner energy patterns settle into coherence. The brain, heart, and nervous system begin to function in harmony. Empowerment is sensed and felt. Modern science observes this as neural and physiological coherence, where perception sharpens, clarity improves, and energy flows with ease. Ancient wisdom recognized it as being inwardly established in a higher order. In this alignment, guidance becomes accessible. Direction is sensed calmly. Choices appear ordered. Understanding unfolds without agitation. Competency forms alongside this guidance. Human capability develops through preparation across the whole energy system. The body provides stability and vitality. The mind offers clarity and discernment. Emotions remain balanced. The inner life supplies meaning. Aspiration gives direction. When these dimensions are prepared, energy moves efficiently through the brain. Intelligence ripens into wisdom. Capability gets enriched with skills, understanding, and compassion. This overall strength then expresses itself as courage. Such preparation allows competency to perform with steadiness and precision. Action remains responsive rather than hurried. Performance flows without strain. What's the way forward? When communion guides and competency performs, action unfolds in its rightful sequence. Alignment offers direction. Preparation enables execution. Response becomes measured. Performance becomes purposeful. Effort stays proportional. Outcomes feel grounded. Action shaped this way carries a distinct quality. It serves the moment without disturbing inner balance. It achieves results without exhausting the being. It reflects intelligence in motion. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, life sustains harmony when alignment and preparation remain in quiet partnership. Communion keeps awareness oriented. Competency keeps action effective. Guidance refines choice. Preparation ensures readiness. Together they allow action to express its highest intelligence. The revered Bhagavad Gita offers a timeless seal to this understanding. Lord Krishna speaks with luminous simplicity. Established in yoga, perform action. Here, yoga is equilibrium of mind as a result of communion with cosmic intelligence. Action is nishkama karma, skillful and righteous action rooted in pure consciousness without attachment to outcomes. The true competency in performance. When alignment guides and preparation performs, action reaches fulfillment. When communion guides and competency performs, life moves in harmony, carrying trust and faith in the greater cosmic intelligence which gave it form, meaning, and purpose on this unique planet called Mother Earth. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.